Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 36 of building the 1966 Batmobile. In this issue, we're putting the drive shaft in. After looking at episode 36, because it's issue 36, got some jousting. Again, it's continuation. Previous episode, Robin Hood, not the other Robin, a different Robin, known as the Archer. State of robberies. Batboat. $10 million, the crime of the century. Oh no. Edward Nigma, the Riddler. Yeah, go. Great villains. Batman 70. Exuberant years of the 760s gave way to a new decade, the Dark Knight. Now crime fighting solo. I wonder what happened to Robin, that particular Robin. There we go. Batman there. Man Bat, I think. Yeah, Man Bat. There we go. See, I knew a thing. Well done to me. So yes, this piece we're assembling and assemble the drive shaft and connect the gearbox to the rear axle. So we get to play with the bits that we've already done. Building the thing first and then fitting it to the car itself. We're not putting a bracket on, but we're not actually attaching the bracket until next time or time after, I think. So let's get this done and get it attached. So nice and easy, only one type of screw to worry about. So let's get a few of those out. We'll leave a few in there, but for now, that's what we need. We are first of all putting one of these into one of those. So 2 screws on either side, exactly the same as we've done several times on this build and indeed other builds. These universal joints are very useful. Basically let you take a rotational force and angle it slightly. So by using several of them in conjunction with each other and rods, you can make a rotation go in whichever angle you like, basically. Useful for going around things. Yeah, so there we go. That's that. That tightened up on there. Not so tight that it doesn't turn, but tight enough so it doesn't wobble. And then we need to do the same thing again on the other side of that with this bracket. They are the same, so it doesn't matter which end we do. That lined up on there. Through there. And through the other side as well. Get used to this because we're going to be doing this again on the other end very soon. Not lined up. I've missed the hole completely. Well, I've got one hole. I need to get the other one as well. So let's come out of there again. Let's try one more time. That in the right place. Drop that in there. Feeling quite right. I think I've got it quite lined up. But it's there close enough. It's adjusted itself for that little discrepancy. So then we can get both sides of that tightened up again. Nice and easy. Let's try and do this whole episode in one take, shall we? That's gone on there like that. It angles in both directions, just as it should. Then we need the other sides of this, and that's going in there like that. That way around. So ordinarily, obviously, that wouldn't be free to move like that, but because it's only a model and it's not actually got powered wheels, that doesn't matter. That goes in there like that, and the 2 screws hold that together. I'll get that one in properly first so that end doesn't fall out. I wonder why it's done that way as opposed to every other model that's had a more solid piece there. I suppose it's easier to build when it's just a little bit like that. Ah, flipped. I forgot. That bracket needs to go on there first. And it won't fit on there now. So let me loosen that off again. Should be able to loosen that enough to get that out. Yeah, there we go. That's probably why they did it, because they knew people like me would forget. So that goes on there now. There we go. It doesn't matter which way round, so that's okay. That is that. Then we need 2 more screws to hold this from there. As I said, we'd be doing this quite a lot. That one in that side. Wind up. Twisted. That again. No, missed it again. Twisted again. All right, this side is proving to be a little bit more challenging, because that's a little bit wider than the others. So the bit that I'm going into is sort of rotating itself just a touch. Let's try that. Make sure I've got it a good grip on it, and it shouldn't be going anywhere. Feels like that's going in somewhere. That's okay then. There we go. Same on the other side. Easier because it can't rotate now. It can only spin. Only rotate on one axis, not the others. There we go. So that will also help holding this axle together. That now in the middle of that. So I'm going to need 1 more of these screws out, because we've got another 2 more. No, because that's already attached. So I need to put this onto that with those 2, that end onto there with those 2. So that should be it. Yeah. So yeah, that's going onto the main chassis itself. Bring that back over. Here we go. Yep. So this is going. Oh, it's going through there. All right. So I've got to do 1 bit on one side and 1 bit on the other. So that is going on there that way round. That bit goes onto the gearbox one down here, like so. And that bit will go onto that one up there, like so. And that is ready to be attached here somewhere, I think. Be around there somewhere, isn't it? Yeah. So let me get this done. I can't do this on camera exactly because it's all holding it at funny angles. So yeah, basically that side on there, and then we'll see how it looks. Yep, there we go. That's that attached. It's not joined in the middle yet because I think that joins onto the floor pan on the other side. But the joints are all attached, and it does in fact rotate. So you've got angling wherever it needs to be. I like it. It's quite good. You're never going to see it. It's underneath the floor and everything, but it's the fact that it's there is always a good thing. Nice to have a bit of authenticity. So that is that. Another issue done. Thank you very much for joining me. I shall see you for more very soon. The next couple of issues are putting in the panels onto the floor, so they're quite easy and quite quick. Next time, I think I'm going to be looking at the free gift that came with this delivery as well. So thank you for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.